This dal soup really makes me happy, and I hope it makes you happy too, but it's full of goodness and deliciousness, and I can eat it through any time of the year. Add some minced fresh turmeric, garlic, ginger and chili. Stir that a little bit, and then I add in a garam masala and a medium curry spice. Fry some onions, and then I throw in some tomatoes as well. And then to that I add the lentils, and then I add some vegetable stock. Simmer it down until it's the lentils are all squashy and soft. And then just to finish it off at the end, don't always do this, but I added a little bit of coconut milk or cream just to make it really more luxurious. And then I've just made something special. I love a little dumpling in a soup, and I've matched the flavors of the Indian flavors of the soup, and I've made a chickpea flour little dumpling, drop dumpling, and then just poach these dumplings for 10 to 15 minutes in the dal, in the broth. And yeah, I add a little bit of coriander and then a great squeeze of lime juice. This dal soup is happiness in a bowl, and if you'd like some more recipes, follow taste.